log 3 equals 0.4771, log 4 equals 0.6020. What does log 40 equal? You could think of this a little bit of a curveball here, a little bit more awkward a problem than the preceding ones. And you think, what is what? When they're talking about logs here, they actually mean log base 10. So you could put in a little subscript 10 here if you wished. So we're talking about log base 10. So why don't I put that in so that we're absolutely clear what we mean when unambiguous. So it's log base 10s we're talking about here. We need to work out log base 10 is 40, given these two things here. Well, what is a log? Well, if you think of log base 10, I'll say, well, let's just write down the number 3. For example, equals the 0.4771. Right, it's just another way of using indices. So you can write that as is, or you can, to undo a log, what happens is this little chappy underneath, the base number, I think it's termed, swings up and hits that into the air. So you end up with 3 equals 10 to the power 0.4771. So you can go from indices to logs, or you can go logs to indices, or you can go from indices to logs. They're equivalent ways of saying the same thing. So that's really what a log is. It's just another way of writing problems to do with indices, and the exponent here, I think it is, and the base number here. So these are the terminologies then. So let's go back to our problem. Now with that thought in mind then, what is log 10 of 10 is what I'm getting at here. Using how we can manipulate and translate this problem into a problem to do with indices, we can write, swing the 10 up, and we say what power of 10 is equal to the number 10. Well, you raise 10 to the power 1, don't you, to get 10? So this number is a 1. So with that thought in mind then, and using properties of logs, the property of log that we're going to use is log of AB times you add. So log A plus log B times you add. So log 40, we can write that then. To get a long story short now, let's have a go at the problem, because these are all the things we need. So log 40 is log 4 times 10. Right, so I'm not going to write the base numbers in now because I've just emphasized that below. So let's just get rid of those. And here, and I'll try and tidy the thing up now. So that was log 4, this is log 40, and we've got log 4 times 10. And times you add the logs, so this would be log 4 plus log 10. Log 4 is given above, 0.6020. And log 10 we know to be the value 1, because we set that down here, didn't we? It's the power you raise to get, power you raise 10 to get to 10 is 1. So we get the answer 1.6020. So this is what we needed in terms of head knowledge, and this is what we do in practice. This was the curveball because we didn't need this in the question to work out the answer. We didn't need log 3.